All right, so I have the Keurig Descaling solution right here. It removes mineral buildup fast action, and odorless. And it says use every 3 months. So it comes in a bottle like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up to see what you. So it comes in right here and has a safety seal protector right there. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna simply open it up with my knife. Open it up with a knife and peel it back like this. And it's open like this. Let's go ahead and close this. So here's a solution. It doesn't smell like anything to open it up. You have to press down and open it like that, kind of like a medicine bottle. It doesn't smell like anything. It's pretty much nothing but citric acid in here. Citric acid in here. Right here, it says it right here, citric acid. You'd want to use a descaling solution when you're cleaning your Keurig or Breville Nespresso, because if you use vinegar can actually destroy the inside of it, as well as leave an unpleasant odor that I don't recommend anyone have. So this is the Keurig right here. It works pretty well. I like it.